There are two ways to make a circle in GIMP. First way is to click here on this ellipse select tool. Click here and then simply make circle. But here you can see it is actually ellipse. Now to make a perfect circle, you can click here on fixed aspect ratio. And then here, now you can see this is a perfect circle. And you can even type size, exact size that you want. For example, 800 with 800. And here you can see this is 800 by 800 perfect circle. You can decrease it or increase it, just drag it by these handles, okay? And you can also click here on this bucket fill tool and you can simply fill this circle. Now, second way to do this is to actually, so let me just unselect this, okay? Second way to make a circle in GIMP is to click here on paint brush tool, okay? And then click here and then choose this brush here. And then when you click here you can see it is a perfect circle. Now the size of the circle you can determine by simply dragging this size handle, okay? As you can see, I am decreasing and increasing the size of this brush, so now it is smaller. But if you wish, for example, to create a ring, then you need to use ellipse select tool and then simply make that circle, okay? And what you need to do, you need to remember the position, okay? Because you need exactly the same position. So this is one circle and I can bucket fill this circle. For example, I will change the color. Let's just say, for example, red. And now this circle is red. Now to create a ring, I need to take ellipse select tool again. And I need to make another circle. And I need to make exactly the same position. Here you can see. Now I can actually move this circle to make it to be perfect ring. And then, for example, I can right click here and then click here on alpha channel, okay? And then when I press delete on my keyboard, here you can see I actually made this transparent. And I can also create a new layer with the foreground color in this case. Click OK. And here you can see this is the new layer and I will simply drag it beneath this layer. Here you can see this is yellow now. So let me click here on none. Here you can see I have a yellow circle in the middle. So this is how you create circle in GIMP.